Precise, productive, profitable. From start to finish, you can count on the Toro SprayMaster to help you build your business year-round. With 3 different size units, you can cover acres and get through gates, so you can handle any size job. The biggest SprayMaster hauls up to 220 pounds in the hopper, 60 gallons in the tank, and can carry an extra 100 pounds of fertilizer on board. With that kind of capacity, plus a 5-gallon fuel tank, you won't be wasting time heading back to the truck anytime soon. Even the Junior can cover 96,000 square feet between fills. And on SprayMaster models with 2 separate tanks, you can switch between 2 types of applications on the fly. But what's really important is precise application, and with 3-part spray booms, onboard spray hoses, and side deflectors, you always have complete control. The adjustable speed bar keeps you at a consistent pace, and Toro's digital speedometer keeps your calibration on track. From the outside, the white tanks make liquid levels easy to see, while inside, pumps and agitators were engineered for clog-free, uniform applications. Zero turn keeps you moving fast, and with easy one-hand steering, you can always do what needs to get done. And even when the days get long, you won't feel it. With suspension in the footplate and the cool-looking hip pad. Best of all, when you add the Toro SprayMaster to your fleet, you'll have the strength of Toro's dealer network behind you. From start to finish, only from Toro. Count on it.